Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to remove eSIM on iPhone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete eSIM on iPhone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your settings over here. Now, once you open your settings, all you need to do is to click on cellular over here. And once you click on cellular, you can see my primary SIM over here, and the secondary, which is the P2. Now, so this is my eSIM. So click on that, and once you click on that, just scroll down and you can see delete eSIM. Now click on delete eSIM. Now confirm it over here. So just click on delete eSIM, but before you delete, you can see over here this eSIM will be deleted from your phone, from your iPhone. Your cellular plan will not be cancelled. Contact your carrier to get a new eSIM or to cancel your plan. So click on delete eSIM and confirm it once again, and that's all. So with this, you can easily delete your eSIM on your iPhone. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.